Hello, dear technologist. Hope you are doing great. By the way, I have a great news for you. Spring Online Test Conference, that is Spring OTC 2020, is happening between 19th to 21st May 2020. This time it is a 3-day event, and the theme for the conference is Extreme Testing Challenges and Success Stories Revealed. Sounds interesting, right? If you would like to be a part of this conference, you can register by a link provided in the blog post. Also, you can register by the link provided in the description of this video. I would strongly recommend you to utilize this opportunity and learn something new. Thank you.